good little girl? Hello?
Are you there?
Yes. Do
What
you
can I
know
do
who?
for you today?
Do you know who this is?
Not a clue.
It's Santa Claus. Ho, ho, ho. Have you been naughty or nice?
I've definitely been nice, Santa.
No. This year, you're getting a lump of coal. That's why I'm calling. Hello?
I'm still here. I've been nice all year. I don't deserve a lump of coal.
Excuse me? What
You
would
know
you
who
like?
you're talking to?
Yes.
Who?
Excuse me?
Who are you talking to, Santa? If I'm on your naughty list, you must know my name.
Yes. Santa Claus.
No, that's your name.
No. Excuse me?
This is the weirdest recorded call I've ever gotten.
No. Have you been a good little girl?
Is this a live person or a recording?
Yes. No. It's Santa Claus.
Wow.
Hello? Hello? Excuse me?
How can I help you?
Hello? My, how you've grown. You haven't ridden lately. That's why I'm calling.
I'm sorry, who is this?
Do you know who this is?
No, I don't.
It's Santa Claus. Ho, ho, ho. Have you been a good...
What can I do for you?
Have you been a good little girl?
I think so, yes.
Yes. Have you been naughty